ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। उस वृक्ष से यह पत्ता गिरता है। सॉरी, संस्कृत वाक्य से आता है तस्मात् वृक्षात् एतत् पत्रं पतति।
So Purna ji, we didn't complete all the rules, right?
We didn't?
We completed fear, the fear after fear.
Okay. This आख्यातोपयोगे. Akhyatopayoge is the sutra. By this sutra, the karaka will be in Panchami. Niyama rupena vidyayaha. Yasmat grahanam bhavati tat karakam apadana sangyam bhavati. Niyama rupena means with formal, in tradition, we can say through tradition, when we learn knowledge, whatever knowledge we are receiving, yasmat grahanam bhavati tat karakam. Yasmat, from whomever we are receiving this knowledge, that karaka will be in Panchami. Upadhyayat adhite. Adhite means studying. Studying from whom? Upadhyayat. Upadhyayat adhite. Studying from the teacher. Traditionally. That is this 48 niyama. Ar guroho patati. From Guru, he is studying. Then Adeng Gunaha. A, O, these are called Guna. A, O. Next, Sandhi, Adgunaha. Adgunaha, you all know. After Akara, if there is Ikara and Ekara, Ukara, sorry, after Akara, if Ikara, Ukara, Rukara, if it is there, then Ikara will change into Ekara. Ukara will change into
Akram.
Ukara will change into Okara. Rukara will change into Ar. Dru will change into Al. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Purna ji.
ఒక్కోసారి రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఒక్కోసారి రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది.
మీరు మాట్లాడేది నాకు అసలు ఏం వినిపించలేదు.
ఒక్కోసారి రీసౌండ్ వస్తుందమ్మా, వినిపిస్తుంది కదా.
ఓకే, రీసౌండ్ ఎవరైనా అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తే రీసౌండ్ వస్తుంది. All niyamas are clear, right?
Yes, Purnaji.
Next vakyas. Tasmad vrikshan etat patram patati. Shivananji, can you translate that?
Smadrukshat yetat patram apatat. From that tree, this leaf has fallen.
Has fallen
Uh,
is which tense?
this is fallen is past tense. Is
Hmm.
it not?
Patati is which tense?
But it is present tense.
Hmm.
Okay. Patati. From this tree, from that tree, this leaf is falling.
Yes. Tasmad ashvat saha naraha patati. Anusha?
ఆ గుర్రం నుండి మనిషి కింద పడుతున్నాడు.
ఇంకొక వర్డ్ మిస్ చేసావు.
ఆ గుర్రం నుండి ఆ మనిషి కింద పడుతున్నాడు.
Tasmad ashvat saha naraha patati means from that horse that person is falling. Prasadan balaha apatat. Vijayaji?
మహల్ నుండి బాలకుడు పడ్డాడు.
దేని నుండి?
మహల్.
From building, balaka has fallen. Here you can use has fallen. Next, tasmad guroho adhite patativa. Shrishaji?
From that guru, one learns or recites.
It is not one. We can use he.
Okay.
Adhite there, na? It is pratham purusha ekavachanam. Adhite pathati. Both are pratham purusha ekavachanam. They are indicating. So we can use he.
Okay.
Chorat bibheti. Shivananji?
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
ఆ.
అతడు ఆ గురువు నుండి చదువుతున్నాడు అని చెప్పచ్చా?
ఆ గురువు నుండి అతడు చదువుతున్నాడు. ఎలా చెప్పినా కూడా ఓకే.
ఓకే.
చోరాత్ బిభేతి. శివానందజీ?
From that thief, afraid of thief. Chorat. Chorat. From the thief.
From the thief.
Bibheti. Bibheti is afraid.
Yes, afraid. From the thief, he is afraid.
Okay. From the thief, he is afraid. Okay.
This is where even in our Shastra, if you notice that in some places, in some shlokas especially, Swamiji mentions this is not there. We have to do adhyahara like that. So even though it is not given saha, or sa also we can use. Not only saha. Saha we can use, sa also we can use.
Pibeti is present tense.
Yes.
Afraiding.
I don't think that form is there. Shirishaji, afraiding form is there?
No. Should we say he is scared of thief?
Yes. He is afraid, or he is scared from
Scared of thief.
thief. Not of, from the thief. Okay, in English we use of. In Telugu, చోరుడికి భయపడుతున్నాడు. How to translate in English?
చోరుడు వల్ల కూడా అనొచ్చు. చోరుడికి చోరుడు భయపడుతున్నాడు.
From the thief, he is scared.
From the thief he is scared. Chora trayate. Anusha, you were asking something?
అమ్మ చోరుడు వల్ల భయపడుతున్నాడు అని కూడా చోరుడికి భయపడుతున్నాడు.
Valana is also from related to Panchami only. Valana also we can use.
చోరుడి నుండి రక్షిస్తున్నాడు. అతడు చోరుడి నుండి రక్షిస్తున్నాడు.
Protecting from the thief. Ramat anyaha kaha satyam vadet. Vijayaji?
రాముడి వలన ఇతరులు ఎవరు సత్యం మాట్లాడాలి అని.
Anyaha means what?
ఇతర. వేరేవా.
Ramat anyaha. Okay, who wants to say that word, that sentence?
So is it other than Rama who will speak the truth?
Yes.
కంటే ఇతరులు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
Yes. Other than Rama, who is there to speak truth? Or who will speak the truth?
అమ్మ ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పండి.
రాముని కంటే సత్యం పలికేవారు ఎవరున్నారు? What
because
Huh.
because it is other is there, anya is there. That because of that reason, it is called Panchami.
Yes. Whenever anyaha, itara, bhinna, atirikta, these words are there, then we use the Panchami. That Karaka will be in Panchami. See, anya, arat, itara, rite, dik, shabda, anchu, uttarapada, ach, ahi. When all those shabdas are there with Karaka, that Karaka will be in Panchami. So here Karaka is Rama. Rama is the Karaka. So Rama is in Panchami. Ramat anyaha. Other than Rama.
Okay. Like that Rama, in the previous thing, the same words will not come, Nama. Like other than Rama, it is there. And Chorat Bibeti.
There is no Anya.
No, not Anya. But English words I'm telling, like he is afraid of that. He is afraid of that thief. And previous that one from that guru, you learn like that actually. Means English words are changing for that.
What did you say last sentence?
The words English, like one time it is coming from guru, of thief, and other than Rama. For the Panchama Vibhakti, the English sentence words of, from, other than, like that it is changing.
Yes. It is not only from. When we say Panchami, not only from. Comparison is also there. Comparison also used in the sense of Panchami. And Hetu Artha is also used in Panchami. I think that
Shivananji, exact English words from Sanskritam we will not find. It is not possible that exact words will tally in English because that's what I have learned actually.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
That sutra, specific sutra is not there. Like comparison, in the sense of comparison also we'll use Panchami. That it is given Prutakkaranam. Prutakkaranam means separation. Ekasmat padarthat aparasya padarthasya Prutakkaranam. From one thing, if we are separating the another thing, from where we are separating, that thing will be in Panchami.
Okay.
So here anyaha by this sutra. Ramat anyaha.
There other thing will come. Okay.
In different situations, meaning will be a little bit different when we translate into English.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Like I think in this Sanskrit Banavo, in that some sentences will come. Like frequently we are seeing that Hetuvantara. Hetuvantara, what is the Vigraha Vakya?
Anyat hetu antara.
Anyad hetuhu hetuvantaram. If I say hetuvantaraha, then anyo hetuhu hetuvantaraha. If I use the word Napumsakalinga, then anyat hetuhu hetuvantaram. So anyat hetuhu, another hetu, there also Panchami Vibhakti is used. Actually, that is not Panchami, Avyayi Bhava. Here also like anyaha Ramat anyaha. other than Rama. In this sense also we'll use Panchami. If you see in Kannada, what are the Vibhakti Pratyas in Kannada? Do you know?
Vibhakti Pratyas.
Like in every language, they have given few things like Prathama Vibhakti in Telugu, Dumu, Volu. These 4 things will come. Like in Panchami, Valana, Kante, Patti. These 3 things will come in Panchami. Like that, if you look at the Kannada Vibhaktis, then you will find what are the things comes in under each Vibhakti.
I'll check.
It will be easy for you if you look at those things.
Sure, Amma, sure.
Okay. This Vakya is clear, right?
Yes, Amma.
For everyone?
Yes.
Dhanat Rute na Sukham.
ధనం వలన సుఖం లేదు.
Rute means what?
Without.
Then what will be the meaning?
ధనం లేకుండా సుఖం లేదు.
ధనము లేకుండా.
Dhanam lekunda sukham ledu. Without money, there is no sukham. There is no joy. What is the 9th one? Esha balikechati latam etam. You can do sandhi also. Esha balikechati latam etam. Aparna ji?
Hari Om Purna ji. Esha balikechati latam etam. This girl likes these creepers.
Balikechati. What is the sandhi there?
Balika ichhati.
Yes. Next, etaha sarvaha prajaha dharmam rakshanti. Not dharma, dharmam rakshanti. Shirisha ji?
Dharma protects all people. This dharma protects all people.
Etaha is sarvanama shabda for what?
Sarvaha. Etaha sarvaha.
Dharmam. Dharmam. It is not dharmaha.
మాకు సత్యంగా చెప్తాము ఈ విషయం ప్రజలు సత్యంగా చెప్తాము.
एताः सर्वाः प्रजाः धर्मं रक्षन्ति. Etaha, which vibhakti?
प्रथम बहुवचनं.
Sorry, it is not eta. Etaha. Dvitiya bahuvachana. Dvitiya bahuvachana. Shrisha ji, what were you saying?
This dharma protects all people. Is that what
Ah,
it is?
this dharma, when we say etaha, is not the visheshana for dharma, right?
Etaha prajaha.
Yes,
Oh,
etaha
dharmaha.
sarvaha prajaha. All will go together. Pratama bahuvachanam etaha. But sarvaha is not pratama bahuvachanam. Sarve it should be. I think strilinga. Yes. Strilinga shabda. Praja is strilinga shabda. So strilinga bahuvachanam. Pratama bahuvachanam. All these people are
These people?
protecting the dharma. Dharmam rakshanti. Dharma will be object. Right?
అమ్మా, ఈ విశ్వంలో ప్రజలందరూ
Yes,
ధర్మాన్ని
Punit.
రక్షిస్తున్నారు.
Dharmam rakshanti.
What are you saying, Anusha?
ఈ విశ్వంలో ప్రజలందరూ ధర్మాన్ని రక్షిస్తున్నారు.
Why it is Vishwamlo? Where is Saptami Vibhakti? Sarvaha, they have given Vishwaha. You keep aside the bracket, whatever is in bracket, you keep aside. Etaha sarvaha prajaha dharmam rakshanti. Etaha sarvaha prajaha. ఈ ప్రజలందరూ సర్వాహ అందరూ ఏతాహ ఈ ప్రజలందరూ ధర్మమును రక్షిస్తున్నారు. ధర్మం రక్షంతి. ఆల్ దీస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ ది ధర్మ. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, Punit.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్రజేచ్ఛతి నృపం. శివానంద్ జీ.
Praja means people like king.
Prajechati is one word or two words?
Two words.
How to split that?
Prajaha plus ichchati. Praja plus ichchati.
Praja ichchati. Praja ichchati nrupam. Now you try to translate.
Praja means people. Ichchati means liking. Nrupam means king. Praja ichchati nrupam.
Yes, whatever you said is correct. Now you can put it in a sentence. What you said is just make it together, that's all.
Praja Ichchati Nrupam. People likes king.
That's all.
Okay.
Next. Pashyedani. Anusha.
పశ్య ఇదానీ ఇప్పుడు
Hmm.
చూడు.
Yes. Pashya means see. Lot lakara. This is Madhyama Purusha. Lot lakara. Ekavachanam. Idanim. Now. Now you see. Even though there is no you, but we can add you. Now you see. In Telugu, we don't need to add. But in English, if we without you, sentence won't make sense. You see, now you see. Nedanim gacha. Vijayaji?
నా ఇదానీం గచ్చ. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళకు.
Now don't go. Idanim na gacha. Na, wherever it is there in a vakya, we have to put before the kriya pada. Gacha is there, we have to add na there. Na gacha. Idanim na gacha. Idanim means now. Na means no. Gacha means go. Now don't go. Pashyopari. Aparna ji?
Pashyopari, Pashya Upari. Look up.
Kedanim Vela.
Idanim Vela.
What did you say?
Is it Ka Idanim Vela?
Ka is Rasva or Dirgha?
Rasva.
It should be Dirgha. Ka. Vela is Strilinga Shabda. So Ka is also Strilinga Shabda. Also, if we split Ka, then the Visarga won't come. There is no single Ka Shabda without Visarga. So Ka. Ka Idanim Vela. How to translate?
What is the time now?
Yes. इस वृक्ष से ये फूल गिरे. This I will tell in Telugu vakyas.
Etasmat vrikshat pushpani patanti. Patanti. Patati.
एतस्मात् वृक्षात्
Pushpam patati.
ये फूल.
Idanim pushpam patati. Or not idanim. Etat pushpam patati.
Is means what?
This one. Close to me. This one. Close to proximity wise, closer to me. This one, like near me.
Okay. What is the English sentence for first one? इस वृक्ष से ये फूल गिरे.
This flower is fallen or is falling from this tree.
From this tree. Okay.
Hmm.
एतस्मात् वृक्षात्
Etat
एतत् फलं
pushpam
हाँ एतत् पुष्पं
pushpam
पतति हाँ
pushpam
एतत्
patati.
ओके नेक्स्ट शिवानंद जी
Can you say that again? Etasmad vrikshat, etat pushpam patati, right?
यस उस महल
महल
से लकड़ी गिरी हाँ
Ladki, right?
ओ सॉरी लड़की
तस्मात् प्रासादात् सः बालिका पतति.
यस हाँ किस घोड़े से हाँ इज दिस वाक्य क्लियर सेकंड वाक्य
सा बालिका
सा बालिका तस्मात्
हाँ
महला
yes.
patati.
हाँ what did he say
सः I think.
साहा okay सा बालिका sorry बालिका is स्त्रीलिंग शब्द so सा is the स्त्रीलिंग शब्द तस्मात् प्रासादात् सा बालिका पतति ఆ బిల్డింగ్ నుండి ఆ బాలిక పడింది కింద పడింది किस घोड़े से वहां सेनापति गिरा अनुषा
तस्मात् अश्वात् सः सेनापतिः अपतत्
अगेन
किस्मात् अश्वात् सः सेनापतिः अपतत्
starting words I could not hear
किस्मात्
what is that say again kismat there is no kismat kasmat
sorry
okay kasmat हाँ कस्मात्
अश्वात् सः सेनापतिः अपतत्
अश्वात् कस्मात् अश्वात् सः सेनापतिः अपतत् ओके जिस नगर से वह राजा इस गांव में आया उसी नगर को अब गया है हाँ विजया जी తెలుగు వాక్య ఏ నగరం నుండి అయితే ఆ రాజు ఈ గ్రామంలోకి వచ్చాడో అదే నగరానికి ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళాడు ఏ నగరం నుండి అయితే ఆ రాజు ఈ గ్రామానికి వచ్చాడో గ్రామానికి లేదా గ్రామంలోకి గ్రామానికి అదే నగరానికి ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళాడు what is the Sanskrit vakya
నగరం నగరం గ్రామం గ్రామం
nagaram you can use gram no gramam is village nagaram is city
संस्कृतमस्य नगरं
नगरं नगरं शब्द नपुंसकलिङ्ग
तस्मात् नगरात् सः नृपं तस्मात् ग्रामात् आगच्छति
Aparna ji, can you try?
Definitely, Punaji. Kasmat nagarat nripah gramam agacchati tasyai gramam gacchati.
Shirisha ji?
When it says jis, right, that jis, is it yatasmat nagarat?
Etasmat says not jis, is says etasmat.
Yat is saying as jo, so
Yes.
yat
Yat shabda, what is the panchami?
yatasmat yasmat, okay. Yasmat nagarat sah nrupa
Yes.
etasmat gramam agacchati tasmat nagarat gacchati.
इस गांव में आया. What is the English meaning for that?
The whole thing?
इस गांव में आया. This much.
This village he came.
This village, to this village. To this village he came.
Etasmat.
To this village, then
Tasmat
this
nagarat
village he
gacchati.
came.
Etasmat nagarat sa nripa etasmat gramam agacchati tasmat nagarat gacchati.
Okay. First वाक्य is correct. जिस नगर से वह राजा. यस्मात् नगरात सह नृपः. इस गांव में आया. इस गांव में आया. ఈ గ్రామానికి వచ్చాడు.
एतं ग्रामम् आगच्छति.
Yes. एतद् ग्रामम् आगच्छत्. Because already came. Past tense. एतद् ग्रामम् आगच्छत्. उसी नगर को अब गया है. To that village he went.
तस्मात् नगरात् गच्छति.
No, to that village. Why we use Panchami?
Okay.
Tasyai Punaji.
Here, tam nagaram.
Tam nagaram. Tam gramam gacchati.
Tam nagaram.
नगरं गच्छति.
अब गया है. इदानी.
Nagaram gramam, right, Punaji?
Nagara actually Nagara only. Gramam.
Okay.
Gramam is village, Nagaram is city. Tam Nagaram idani gaya hai. Gacha. Agachat. Okay, I'll say the sentence from starting. Yasmat nagarat saha nrupaha etat gramam agachat tam nagaram idani agachat. Is this vakya clear?
Yes, Putri.
Madhu. Here, sentence is clear. Like this Nagar, say, here Nagar is in Panchami. First sentence, first half. Second half, it is Dvitiya, Nagaram.
Yes.
Correct, Mama. First is Panchami, second is Dvitiya.
First one says, from this city. From one city, we are going to another city. Then that object city will be in which case?
Dvitiya.
Actually, it's in English sentence, whichever, from whichever city king has come to this village. From whichever city king has come to this, king had come to this village, to that city, now he went. So here when we say he came to this village, is in Dvitiya, not in Panchami. Because from where he has come, we can use the some place. Okay. From Rishikesh to Bangalore, king had come. Again, to Rishikesh, king went. Now, Rishikesh, king went to Rishikesh now. Now, you can tell, okay, from whichever city.
From Rishikesh is Panchami.
From Rishikesh is Panchami. Bangalore is which?
Dvitiya. And again to Rishikesh is Dvitiya.
Now is this clear? Where to put Dvitiya, where to put Panchami?
Yes, Purnaji.
Shivananji, is it clear?
Yes, message clear.
हाँ. उस पाठशाला से वहां लड़की यहाँ आई. अपर्णा जी.
तस्मात् पाठशालात् बालिका अत्र आगच्छति.
Anybody wants to
Balika,
say anything?
Amma, sa vidyalayat balika atra agacchati.
Sa balika atra agacchati.
Sa balika atra agacchati. Okay. Anything else?
Etat, right? Here. Yeah.
Yeah. Yaha. No, yaha is Atra. Chandrabindu yaha means atra. I learned in Hindi these words. Yaha, difference between vaha and vaha. Yaha and yaha. And another word, jis and what is the another word? If I look at, then I can recognize those words.
Yeah, I miss it, Chandrabindu. Yeah, you're right.
Huh. Okay. Anybody says उस पाठशाला से वह लड़की यहाँ आई? Correct
सा
sentence.
विद्यालयात् बालिका अत्र आगच्छत्.
No. विद्यालया से which vibhakti?
Vidyalayat.
विद्यालयात्.
Which linga it is?
Strilinga. So that's why I use Patashalat.
Pathashala strilinga. What is the panchami?
Vidyalayah.
Vidya?
Vidyalayah.
No, that is prathama bahuvachanam.
Vidyalayah.
Rama
Vidyalayah. Vidyalayah.
Vidyalayah. Us means tat. Tat, what is the strilinga shabda? Panchami vibhakti?
Asyaha.
Now you can tell the whole vakya.
तस्मात् विद्यालयायाः
No. Vidyalaya is strilinga. So Sarvanama Shabda also should be in strilinga.
तस्याः
Complete the vakya.
तस्याः विद्यालयाः बालिका अत्र आगच्छत्.
No. Aparna ji, what you were saying is now you just add the tasyaha vidyalayayaha.
So let me try that, Punaji. Tasyaha vidyalayayaha sa balika atra agacchati.
Vidyalaya.
Yaha.
Vidyalayayaha.
Yaha. Vidyalayayaha sa balika atra agacchati.
I think it must be lot lakara, right?
It could be lat also.
Let also? Okay.
It can be, I think, difficult to say 100%.
Just has come, right? Has come should be lat only.
Has come in lat. Okay. उस गुरु से वह शिष्य पढ़ता है और पढ़ता है.
అమ్మ ఒకసారి రాసింది మళ్ళీ చెప్పరమ్మ సా విద్యాలయ
ఏది
తస్యాహ విద్యాలయాయాః ఒకసారి తస్యాహ విద్యాలయాయాః సా
तस्याः विद्यालयायाः सा बालिका अत्र आगच्छति.
ఓకే
नेक्स्ट शिरीषा जी, उस गुरु से वह शिष्य पढ़ता है.
I think she left.
Oh, she is not there. Okay,
Not.
okay, okay. हाँ, शिवानंद जी, उस गुरु से वह शिष्य पढ़ता है.
That is Guroho. Guroho. For that, उसके लिए तस्य हो. So that what is Panchami? What is Panchami Vibhakti for us? Tas. Tasyoho.
You can look at if you have. Tat Shabda. See,
Tat Shabda.
what we can do is, in one book, all the Shabdas, like similar Shabdas. One is Rama Shabda and another is Rama Shabda. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Rama, both. And Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Hari. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Mati. Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. Guru. Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda. Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda is, we have not seen that. So whatever, that Shabda.
Madhu is Strilinga Bhante? Or that is Apunsakalinga, I think.
Tat Shabda, all these Shabdas, you can keep at one place in one book. So that whenever we need any Shabda, we can look at immediately which Vibhakti we want and all. So it will become familiar to us. What is the Us Shabda? Panchami?
Tasmat only.
Tasmat.
Guroho. Tasmat Guroho Saha Shishyam Patati.
Saha Shishyaha. Here Shishya is Ekavacham, Prathama Vibhakti only. He is studying from Guru.
Okay. Okay. Saha Shishyaha Patati.
Yes.
Amma,
Or we can say Adhite. Adhi is given na? Adhite. What you are saying, Anusha?
सः शिष्यः तस्मात् गुरोः अधीते
Saha Shishyaha
तस्मात् गुरोः अधीते.
Yes. Both are correct. In Sanskrit, there is no order is required in Sanskrit. We can say whichever way.
Anusha, can you please repeat it one more time, please?
सः शिष्यः तस्मात् गुरोः अधीते.
Adhite. I wrote patati, but okay, fine. Adhiyate, right? Or adhite?
अधीयते.
Adhite. Okay, thank you.
No, adhiti, adhiti, Brahma Vidya. What is the mantra? Adhiti. Not adhiyate. Adhiyate is not the form. One minute, I'll check. Oh, Shirisha ji has asked some question. I forgot to explain. We'll see in next class. Adhite. Adhite. Atmanepadi. Regarding this Atmanepadi, Shirisha ji has asked which came in Brihadaranyaka, page number. Okay, I'll send you page number later. That stha dhatu ut upasarga purvak stha dhatu gets Atmanepade. There is a sutra. Swamiji mentioned that even in Tika, sutra number also given. So that sutra we will see tomorrow. Please remind me. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you, Purnaji.
you.
Hare